Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my lovers. Good evening, my Benv FX family. Good evening, Benv FX community. I love you guys so much. I know I come to this particular live video very late, but it's because of one thing or the other that I'm trying to put together. You understand? But without wasting much of your time, you guys are my family, you guys are my friends and family. Let me just say friends and family, best of friends and best of brothers and sisters. You understand? Gathering together to share ideas together. You understand? So first of all, before I dive into today analysis, I would like to encourage one or two people. You understand? On this particular platform today, you get. I'm going to encourage one or two people on this particular platform today. Either you are watching live or you are watching after the live video. mm, this thing is going to help you. Please be very, very disciplined when it comes to trading. Put your strategy first. And be very, very disciplined. Make sure you have a working strategy. Then make sure you have patience and make sure you put risk management first. You understand? Because the longer you stay on the chart, the more you understand how the chart works. You understand? The longer you stay on the chart, the more you understand how the chart works. Give yourself enough time to master the market so that you can know what exactly to do. You understand? Whenever you come to the chart, you get. So I'm going to share my screen now. Then I'll do a top-down analysis. After a top-down analysis, don't forget to drop comment because there is no any comment I left behind. Either you are watching live or you are watching after the live stream, just drop a comment because I respond to every comment. You understand? I respond to every comment. UD, my guy, you are highly welcome, my bro. You are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. I see you. Good evening, my brother. Good evening, my brother. Good evening, my brother. I see you, my brother. So today, I want to go straight to do analysis. Then as I'm going to do this particular analysis, I want to after I'll be seeing your comments. Then I'll after the analysis I'll come back to the comment and be following the comment one after the other. You understand? This is a platform where your voice must be heard, where your question must be answered, where everything you are looking for must be solved, where your problem must be solved. I have an experienced trader watching me, you understand, that can answer your question even without me, you understand. But me, the creator, I'm going to answer you by myself. So I'm going to open my trading view, then do a top-down analysis on XAUSD, GBP USD, and Euro USD. After that particular top-down analysis on those pairs, I'm coming back to your question, then I'll answer every one of you guys. So drop a question if you have a question. Just drop it on the comment section. I'm trying to share my screen now real quick, then I'll do the analysis. Because as I come to this particular live stream very late, I'm not going to stay long. So I'm going to dive into the main topic, then I will respond to every one of you on the comment section. Hi, Catley Smith, you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. I see you, my brother. You are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. So my trading view is loading. Okay. It has loaded already. It has loaded already. Let me share my screen real quick for you guys. Real quick. Ariane, Ariane. Oh my God, your name is harding me to pronounce. Don't be angry. You're highly welcome. I appreciate you. Hello, how are you doing? I'm doing very, very great. How are you too? How are you doing too? So let me share my screen real quick, so that I will do the top-down analysis. Please keep dropping your question. Drop your favorite pen so that I'll do a top-down analysis after this particular one that I'm going to do. I'm going to do a top-down analysis on your favorite pairs too. You understand? So drop your a favorite page for me on the comment section. I respond to every comment and I make sure I pin your comment on my screen. You understand? I value your comments very, very well. Let me see. My name is Diva. Oh wow, Diva, that's a beautiful name. You're highly welcome there. I know my name is hard. Wallahi, this particular one that YouTube give me is very, very hard. I don't know why. But Diva is very, very okay. Yeah, Diva. Omo, that's a beautiful name. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. So I'm going to have shared my screen already. I'm 8 years old. 8 years old, how? In the game, I mean 9. In the game, in the forex trading game or your normal age, abeg o. Are you not up to 18? Are you not up to 18? 8 years old? Is it 8 years old on the in the trading industry or 8 years old on your normal age? Diba, hi. You're highly welcome, my dear. You are highly welcome. I see you. I see you. I see you. So this is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to do a top-down analysis. Gee, yeah, I see you. 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 All your comment is highly, highly appreciated. So this is exactly what we are going to do. Please keep dropping the comments under the keep dropping the comments. I'm coming back to this particular comment to respond to every one of them. You get to respond to every one of them. So please keep dropping your comment. Keep dropping your comments. Your comment means a lot to me, and your favorite pair means a lot to me. So now, like this is XAUSD. You understand? And on XAUSD, I want to do a top-down analysis from daily time frame down to the lower time frame. Then we'll see what we'll be expecting from today. You understand? From today till the week will end, then till next week. Then let's like analyze where the market is presently, then where the market is heading to. Let's do it together. You understand? The family, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. So first of all, we'll go to daily time frame. You understand? On the daily time frame, I'm going to show you guys what exactly I'm seeing. You understand? There is a trade that I take on this particular. I put a buy, let me just say, how is it called? I put a buy order here yesterday that I'm going to like long this particular market from here, then put my stop loss below this particular support level, then target the next high. You get target the next high, but I delete it while I'm analyzing the chart for somebody. You get so, but we are going to do a top-down analysis now like this. So on the daily time frame, what exactly are you seeing? If you look at the charts, like from main looking, what exactly are you seeing? Do you guys want us to like dive into using trend line or any other thing? Okay, if you put your trend line from this particular area like this, if you put your trend line like this is your trend line. You understand? Okay, and if you put your trend line like this is how your trend line look like. mm, the market correspond with your trend line. If you put your trend line from this particular consideration that the market create long ago, the market come to this particular trend line, form a W pattern and started moving to the upside. And immediately the market is moving to the upside, e move to this particular fair value gap. There's a fair value gap around this particular area. There's a fair value gap here. The market move to the fair value gap and retest this particular trend line again. After the market retrace the trend line, it gives something like a W pattern on this particular area. It gives something like a W pattern. Then we'll see this particular bullish engulfing candle. Then what exactly are you expecting? Hold the market. This is the resistance level where we'll be expecting the market to be like to respect. You get either it will make a double top, then it will break to the downside or consolidate around that particular area. Either it make a double top here, break to the downside, or it will consolidate around this particular area, give us break above to the upside. Let me mark it out. Break above to the upside like this, then retest it. After it retests, then we'll see another higher high on XAUSD. This is exactly what I'm saying. You get, so this particular resistance level cannot hold the market. Do you know the reason why I say this particular candlestick resistance level cannot hold the market? The market give a clean W pattern, and before the market move from this particular support level, trend line support level, it give, this is a trend line support level. I can call it a trend line support level, and I can call it an inner support level. This is it here. This is a support level. You get, I don't normally use a trend line, but for everybody to understand, I use a trend line so that you can understand what exactly I'm saying. You get, so this is it here. The market come to this particular inner support level, then give a bullish engulfing candle on the inner support level before it's moving to the upside. And yesterday candlestick closed bearish, and the bearish is pin bar. You understand? I don't know if you guys are seeing it very very clear. If you can see it, please drop a comment. Drop a comment. If you can see my screen very clean, just drop a comment for me. How much you risk per trade? Broke 200. How much you risk per trade? I don't risk more than $100 per day. You understand? I divide that particular $100, then I don't risk more than $100 per day. So if you are seeing my screen and the analysis very very well, please let me see your comments, or let me see a reaction from you under the comment section. Let me see a reaction from you under the comment section. If you are seeing the screen very very clean and clear, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction. If you are seeing the screen very clean and clear, let me see a reaction. Okay, clear. That's very great. UD, that's very great. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. So as the market comes to this particular inner support level, it gives this particular bullish engulfing candle. That bullish engulfing master that you see on my description on all social media is not by mouth. I know what exactly I studied. Because I make sure I studied bullish engulfing candle, either bullish or bearish engulfing candle, but I studied engulfing candle. You understand? That's the reason why I put that master of engulfing candle. You get 15 minutes master, 15 minutes engulfing master, this thing. That's what I master. You get, so this is it here. This is daily time frame. The markets come to this particular inner support level and give a bullish engulfing candle, and as the market is approaching this particular fair value gap, the market give a pin bar. And what exactly are you seeing? In less than 2 hour 18 minutes now, this particular candlestick is going to close, and it's going to close and engulf this particular pin bar. And once it engulf this particular pin bar, the next candlestick is going to close bullish as well, and maybe that next candlestick is going to close and engulf break above this particular resistance level. Because I know for sure that this particular level resistance level cannot be respected anymore, because the movement from this particular support level is too strong with a bullish engulfing candle. So the market is going to break above this particular resistance level to the next resistance level to make a double top. Then before we will like see a reaction from the market. After the reaction from looking at the chart at that particular resistance level, then we can decide where the market will be heading to. You get, so that's exactly what we are going to do. And let me tell you guys, I come on this particular live stream every blessed day, except when, like, I cannot just say, like, let me not just talk. I come to this particular live stream every blessed day. I won't make it 3 times in a week, but I have to be coming every blessed day because a lot of people will be getting value. The more I come, the more I impact in the life of a struggling traders. You understand? And as you can see the topic, struggling traders live with Benv FX. You get, struggling traders live with Benv FX. That is the topic. You get, so this is it here. The market is going to break above that particular resistance level. And once the market break above this particular resistance level, it's going to like make a double top. Then from the double top now, we'll know what to like decide, either the market will break to the downside or it will break above this particular resistance level to the upside and create another higher high. You get, this is exactly what I'm seeing on XAUSD. And if you go to 4 hour time frame, It's still the same thing. You get, it's still the same thing. And the engulfing candle before the market move from a support level is like, is very that one is just a compulsory. You get, that one is just a compulsory. This is an engulfing candle. Let me delete this particular one so that you guys will see it very clear. This is an engulfing candle from a support level, and this is an engulfing candle from the support level as the market is trying to create a W pattern. You get, so before the market move all the way to this particular area. And on the 4 hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing now like this? As the market is approaching this particular resistance level, what exactly are you seeing? This is a bullish engulfing candle and this is a bullish engulfing candle. Means this particular resistance level cannot hold the market or cannot send the market back to any resistance level. The worst this particular resistance level can do is to like maybe send the market to one inner support level before the market to move, gather momentum and move to the upside. That's exactly what I'm seeing on XAUUSD, and you need to like take it very very serious. Go to this particular go to your chart and study the chart very very well, and if there is anything I'm saying, if I'm like, if you are watching the video and you don't understand it immediately, just come to the video again. All my video is saved under my channel, you understand? In my channel all my video is saved, and how I analyze my chart is on my channel, because that one is on a playlist. How I analyze my chart, if you want to know how I started analyze my charts way back, just go to that particular playlist and start watching it one after the other. You are going to like understand how I analyze the market to become a profitable trader, to step out of struggles in this particular industry. You get, so if you go to my channel, there's a playlist there that says how I analyze my chart. You are going to like seeing more than, let me just say, 40 something video there that will teach you how to analyze your chart one after the other down. You understand? All the necessary knowledge you need to like learn to become a profitable trader is on my channel. And if you want to know how I use my strategy to take a trade, then watch that particular 100 road to 1,000 $100,000. You understand? Road to $100,000. Just watch that particular video. You are going to see how I take my trade using my strategy. You understand? Because I record all my trade when it's playing. You understand? When the trade is playing, I record everything when it's playing. So I would like to like check. I've analyzed XAUSD. If you don't understand, if there's anything you don't understand on this particular analysis, just let me know so that I'll brush through it, so that I'll let you understand. Because this is a family, this is a community, this is a family and friends channel where everybody's voice must be heard. You understand? Your voice must be heard. You understand? You are the reason why I come to this particular live stream, to give you value. So if there's anything that I said and you don't understand, just drop it on the comment section so that I will know real quick. Let me see. Maybe we agree on 4 days, 4 days a week. Oh, make you no overwork yourself. UD, exactly, bro. Exactly. I'm going to stick to that. You understand? This daily have used to me. You understand? That's the reason why I always come every day. But I'm going to like work on that. You get? I'm going to like work on that. I discipline myself way back to be doing this particular live stream every blessed day. But you understand, whatever you have disciplined yourself enough to be like sticking to, it will be very very hard for you to like withdraw from it instantly. You get? But I'm going to like work on it seriously. I'm going to like work on it seriously. I'm going to like work on it seriously, my bro. Seriously. A lot of videos there for me to upload, but coming to live stream to be like taking a question from you guys one on one is like, it makes me feel complete. You understand? Coming to live stream to take a question, to like answer to people's question live, makes me feel complete. Let it not be as if I make a video, edit it first before I post, make so that you guys will look at me face to face. Let it not be as if I'm sugarcoating anything. I want you guys to feel my presence while I'm analyzing it. If not, I have, see from here, see from here, I have an OBS on my laptop, do this particular analysis and just post it. And my normal posts sometimes have views more than my live stream. But what will I do? If I get views and I don't impact in the life of traders, what that view is useless. You understand? I want to be impacting, like I want to be impact in the life of the traders. I want to be answer traders one on one. I want to be answer their like give answer to their problems. But some of them will not like speak out, and that is the reason why a lot of people lose a lot of money in the industry before they will calm down and start listening to other traders who have experienced the market. You get? So please, whatever you are facing in this particular industry, whatever you are facing, you have to speak out. You have to, person like me, I'm here to like respond to every comment I see under my live stream, regardless of the comments, no matter how the comments look like. If it's not a sensitive question, I'm going to respond to all the comments. You understand? Like I'm not a creator who don't respond to comments. No, you understand? I'm a creator who wants to like create a community where everybody will feel at home. You understand? Will feel at home. You understand? Once you come to Benv FX channel, means you have come to your family, you have come to meet your friends. That's exactly what I want to build. You understand? Not, I'm not after the views. I'm not after the views, but I'm after imparting in the life of a traders who will like keep calm and learn from me. Ask me reasonable question. Whatever you're passing through, just ask me, then I will like answer you. You get? So I've analyzed XAUSD. I'm going to Euro USD to analyze Euro USD presently now like this. So if there is anything I'm saying on the chart, if there is anything you are seeing and you don't understand, you can come up with the question, then I'll answer you. I might not spend long time on this particular live stream because I have a lot of other things to do, but I want to just show up. Whatever that you have, whatever that gets used to you, there is no way the time will reach and that thing will not like, and you will not be pushed, you understand, to just show up. um that is the level of discipline I have. When I want to like come into live video, I discipline myself to be coming to this particular live stream every blessed day to impact in the life of the traders. You get? It's not by having a huge viewers. Yes, it's not by having a huge viewers, but how many people are you impacting in their life? How many people? How many people? I want people to be like getting value from my live stream. That's the reason why I showed up every blessed day. I can choose not to show up, and I have bunch of, like, with 10 minutes I can analyze the chart and post. You understand? And it will get views with just 10 minutes like this. That 3 hour, 4 hour, 2 hours that I spent analyzing the charts, taking questions from you guys and the rest, that hours can create, let me tell you, more than 10 strong videos for me. You understand? But that is not what I'm after. I'm not after all those ones. I'm not after all those ones. You understand? And moreover, today is Wednesday. I need to come. I need to show up. You understand? Although I know I come yesterday, I think day before yesterday, I still showed up. Today I still showed up, not because of any other thing, but because I want to like impact. So let me see. Let's go to Euro USD. Then let me know your favorite pair that I will analyze for you now like this. Let me know your favorite pair so that I will analyze your favorite pair for you. You get, let me know your favorite pair so that I'll analyze your favorite pair for you. So I'm going to Euro USD real quick. I'm going to Euro USD real quick, real quick, real quick. Okay. On our chart here, this is Euro USD. You understand? And what exactly are you seeing? This is daily time frame. What exactly are you seeing? This particular candlestick from that day, it refused to engulf. But what I'm saying is the market tried to like make something like a double. Let me see it very, very clear. Why is it that the market did not make a clean double bottom and it's moving to the upside? Why is it that the market did not make a clean double? All right, regardless, we are going to analyze the market now like this. The market give a clean W pattern, you understand, before it's moving to the upside. But the only thing that pains me about this particular Euro USD is my favorite pair. But the only thing that pains me about this particular Euro USD is because I do not see a bullish engulfing candle from where the market is moving from. I know quite like I know what is happening. The market is on a downtrend in a short period of time. Just as you can see, this is a high, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower. This one, this one refused to like create a lower low. So nobody know exactly what the market is going to do from here. Either it will target this particular high, um to target this, come to this particular high, then make a double, a triple top, then it will break to the downside or break above this particular high and continue its movement to the down, to the upside. The market can decide to do anything at any time. What all you need to do is be very, very disciplined and stick to your strategy. You understand? Whenever your strategy come out, that is when you are going to strike. You get, you get, whenever your strategy played out, that is when you are going to strike. So the market refused to create, to go below this particular low, and it even refused to like make a clean double bottom before it move to the upside. So I'm expecting the market to come to this particular resistance level. Let's see the reaction of the market from this particular resistance level first. Is either I go to this particular resistance level, um come to this particular resistance level, then break to the downside, or it will like break above the resistance level, um something like this. This is daily time frame. It will like maybe break above the resistance level, retest it. After it retests, then it moves straight to the upside. This is exactly what we are going to see. But before we do anything on the chart, we like see a signal first from the lower time frame. Some like it can do a time frame like 4 hour time frame. You understand? Before we do anything, you get. So let me see. This is exactly what I'm seeing on the on Euro USD. You get. So you go to your 4 hour time frame and see why how the market is moving. You understand? And see if buyers are very, very strong on the chart, or if they are not that much strong on the chart, then you know what to do, you know where to like stand. Okay, this is where the market move from. I'm going to like clear all this particular drawing so that everything will be clear for, because me, I believe in pure naked charts. You understand? That's why I don't use any indicator or anything to like to take my trade. I believe on price action. That is, I'm a just pure price action guy. So the market give a clean W pattern, give this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. That this is a sign that the market is going to the upside actually. Then the market reach this particular resistance level. You understand? This is the resistance level. This is where the market is presently. This is where the market is presently. You understand? And what exactly are you seeing? As the market tap on this particular resistance level, it reverse back down. You understand? Tap on this particular inner support level. This is just a top down analysis and a technical analysis. You have to do everything very very clean, then know what exactly you are doing. So the market come to this particular resistance level, take an aggressive move to the downside, come to this particular inner support level, then give us a bullish, strong bullish engulfing candle to this particular resistance level. What this particular thing shows you, what sign this particular thing gives to you, means the market is going to break above this particular resistance level to the next resistance level. You get? So if the market reach the next resistance level before we know what exactly we are going to do from the next resistance level. And where is the next resistance level? This is the next resistance level here on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? So what I'm seeing now, this particular resistance level have nothing to do with the chart. This resistance level can never ever stop the market from moving up. You understand? It's either it will break the resistance level, retest it, as the market have take this particular aggressive move from here with a bullish strong engulfing candle, it will like break, retest, then move into any other action. This is exactly what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame. You get? This is exactly what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame. So this is it. You get? So you have to like, if you are doing your top down analysis, you do it from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. After you know the direction of the market from the higher time frame, then you go to your lower time frame where you execute your trade, where you take your trade from. Then you wait for your strategy to play out, then you strike. You get? That is exactly what I always do. Now the market have moved from this particular area to the upside. I'm expecting the market to go to this particular major resistance level before we know what exactly to do. You understand? Before we know what exactly to do from this particular resistance level. You understand? After the market come to this particular resistance level, the reaction of the market from this particular resistance level now will tell us exactly what to do. You get? From this particular major resistance level. You understand? If you take your trade from the lower time frame, since you know the direction of the market from the daily time frame down to the 4-hour time frame, you go to your execution time frame, either if it is just one, either if it is 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes. Go to your execution time frame and wait for your strategy to play out, then you strike. Then one thing again I need to say about um Euro USD is, Euro USD is a beginner friendly pair that every beginner is supposed to start with. You see other pairs like GBP USD, XA USD are very very volatile and they are very very good in sweeping liquidity. So if you are a beginner trader watching me right now, please stay away from XAUSD, most especially XAUSD. That particular pair that you guys think is the most, is the like, what push people to like trade XAUSD is because of the fast money it bring, and that is giving you that particular fast money. That is how it's taking it back with your capital. So you have to like master what exactly you are doing before you do anything on XAUSD. Look at the life of somebody like Jeffrey Benson. He stick to GBP USD, the less volatile pair at least. You understand? Till he master what exactly he is doing before he's trading XAUSD. He started trading XAUSD this year. So you yourself stick to a less volatile pair and master what you are doing first before you can maybe add XAUSD. You understand? I traded only Euro USD from the beginning of 2024 down to the end of 2024. I can give anything I'm saying here, I have a proof of that. You understand? I can give you a proof of that. You understand? So I stick to Euro USD, a beginner friendly pairs throughout 2024 down till I master my strategy before I add GBP and XAUSD. And XAUSD, the reason why I add XAUSD of recent is because my strategy work very very perfectly on XAUSD. That is the reason why I add it. So whatever strategy you are learning, whatever strategy you are studying, it will work on every pairs. Just stay with the low volatile pair so that you will not be wasting money until you give up on trading. You understand? Stay with the low volatile pair. Let me tell you, euro USD will go 10 pip away from your entry point before it will like, if you use 0.01, it will like go down 10 pip before it will stop you out. And do you know how much you are going to lose? Just $1. You understand? And 10 pip on euro USD is very 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 far. Let me mark 10 pip for you on euro USD on a 15-minute time frame so that you see what exactly I'm saying. Let me mark 10 pip out for you on euro USD. Let me even expand it. Let me mark 10 pip for you. Let's say you take a buy from here. um Let me see, let's say you take a buy from here. This is a laptop. Oh, okay. Then this is 10 pip. I'm coming. Let's say you take a buy from here. This is 10 pip. What is this now? This is 10 pip. And if you see this 10 pip on your phone, it's very very far. This is laptop, that is why. If you see this 10 pip on your phone, it's very very far. Like, it give your trade a breathing space. It give your trade a breathing space. So this is, I think, I don't know if you guys understand the analysis that I do before we like enter beginner friendly pairs on every, you understand? This is what I'm expecting. The market will come to this particular, break above this particular resistance level, test, then go to the next resistance level, and this is the next resistance level. From this next resistance level, it might come to this particular support level before we see another push to the upside. You get? On the 4 hour time frame, it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. So this is exactly what I'm expecting on euro USD. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, let me see. SF Taste RBX. Wow. I don't understand. Hi. Hello. How are you doing, David? How are you doing, David? How are you doing, David? What is this? Let me see. Then please, Starberry. What is this? What is Starberry? Please, what? SAP. Okay. That is really true about gold. It can make you understand. It can make you and unmake you. That is very very truth. God can make you within a minute and unmake you within a second. That is good for you. That is good for you. So now like this, let me go to, because I want to like round everything up before, I don't want to like delay on this particular live stream today. Let me see. So I've analyzed XAUSD, I've analyzed Euro USD. I'm going to analyze GBP USD now. You understand? Let's analyze GBP USD. And if you have any favorite pair that you want me to analyze, drop it on the comment section, because I'm not going to stay long on this particular live stream today. After I analyze that particular GBP USD and there is no any other question, then we'll call it a day. You get? Then we'll call it a day. Then we'll call it a day. Then we'll call it a day. Oh, yeah. Real quick. Your comment is very, 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 very welcome. You understand? Whatever you're facing, any particular challenges you're having, just let me know under the comment section. I'm active to give you the reply. That's just it. So let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, code GBP USD. Let's go to GBP USD. this is JPUSD here. My prediction on JPUSD, the market to come to this particular resistance level. It has been long I analyze this particular JPUSD. Is the market to come to this particular resistance level, come down and make a double bottom, then before we see a boost to the upside. But the market just go straight, you understand, and break above this particular resistance level. Now it has break above this particular resistance level as well. So what are we expecting on it now? We are going to like delete all this particular one, then we'll do a top down analysis on good on JPUSD. So this is daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, the only reason why the market is confusing me is because before a market move from a support level and it will be, before you know that yes, this particular market will move far, you must see a bullish engulfing candle from a support level. But this particular candlestick, Euro USD and JP USD, confuse me this particular period because they refuse to give a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame before they are moving to the upside. And now like this, it has break above this particular resistance level. GBP USD have break strongly, break above this particular resistance level. So now what exactly are we going to do? What exactly are we going to see? So we are waiting for the market to like either come to this particular resistance level, um come to this particular resistance level before we will see a retracement to the downside, or it will like go to that particular resistance level, retrace a bit or consolidate a bit, then we'll see it. Because there are a lot of resistance level. If the market is going up, that it will be respecting on the from the daily time frame down to the 4 hour time frame. So this is exactly what the market is doing. The market have formed a clean W pattern already, and it has break above this inner resistance level. You understand? If you go to the lower time frame, the only thing the market will do from here now is go to your lower time frame again. It will just, the only thing the market will do is retest this particular resistance level. You understand that it's break. It has already retest sef. You understand? This is where it break from. Let me delete this. What is this? Let me delete this. This is where it's break from. It move from here, break above it with full force, then retest on the lower time frame before we are seeing this push to the upside. You understand? Before we are seeing this push to the upside, the market might go to a clean W pattern like this, then before we see another push to the upside. This is exactly what I'm going to see. Tomorrow I'll be waiting for the market to come to this particular support level, then I'll wait for my strategy to play out, then I'll take a buy on this particular JPUSD. You understand? And I'll go to like Euro USD and wait for the market to come to a major support level, then I'll take a trade from that particular, take a buy position on Euro USD and JP USD tomorrow as well. You understand? So the market break above this particular, let me delete this so that we'll see it very, very clear. The market break above this particular inner support level. If the market break above this particular inner support level, then this is the next resistance level we are expecting the market to go to before we see another retest. Then we'll see another push to the upside before we see another retest. The market work from support to resistance, resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance to support. That is how it always work. You understand? So this is, I've analyzed Euro XAUSD, I've analyzed Euro USD, I've analyzed JPUSD. You understand? Those are the three pairs I've analyzed so far. If you have any favorite pair, you can drop it on the comment section so that we'll see it together. And if there is no any um, comment in the next 1 minute, then we'll call it a day. You understand? Then we'll call it a day. I fulfill my today task. You understand? I fulfill my today task. Is either you people see me tomorrow or next tomorrow. Next tomorrow is Friday. You understand? It might be next tomorrow. Yeah, it might be next tomorrow. So I don't know if you get value from this particular analysis. Just let me know. Just let me know on the comment section if you get value from this particular analysis that I just did. just let me know on the comment section. And if you have any favorite pair that you want me to analyze, let me know on the comment section before the next 1 minute, please. All right. Miss, we'll see on Friday. You understand? Don't miss that Friday live stream. Value loaded. Thanks, baby. Thank you, UD. Thank you so much. So see you guys on Friday. You understand? See you guys on Friday. Try don't miss that Friday live stream. You understand? I'll be uploading video shower, but try don't miss that live stream. I come on this particular live stream just to take question from you guys and answer you guys direct. You understand? Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. So bye for now. UD. Till I see you on Friday. I comot cap for you. Thank you, my bro. I really appreciate your effort, everything you have been doing. I really appreciate, my bro. You understand? God will reward you. Thank you so much. See you guys next tomorrow evening. Anything 8 p.m. will be live next tomorrow. Bye for now.